Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing, install, first impressions video on this hair that I purchased from AliExpress. The vendor is called Berryshair Fashion Store, and it's a bang wig. It's a 5x5 closure, 180 density, 12 inches long. So guys, let's get into this video. So guys, I'm just showing you the parting space. Again, it's a 5x5 closure. It has adjustable straps in the back. It does not have any combs, but it does have those adjustable straps for you in the back. Now guys, I decided to go ahead and bleach the knots on this closure. So I'm using powder bleach and 30 volume developer. Okay, so I went ahead and I mixed my powder bleach with my developer. I was careful to ensure that I did not make it too runny. I wanted it relatively thick because I did not want the mixture bleeding through to the roots of my hair. So just be careful and make sure that you don't mix it too loose or there's any accidents and it bleeds out to the roots. Time to apply the mixture to the closure. So just make sure that all of the hair is out of your way. I went ahead and used a plastic knife. That way I can get a nice even application. And it also ensures that I'm not pressing too far down into the lace. And again, there's no bleeding into the actual roots of the hair. Okay guys, I'm not even gonna lie. These knots took a minute to process. It was a good minute. But once it processed, I went ahead and I rinsed off all of that bleach from my closure. And then I proceeded to use my purple shampoo. So once I rinsed off all of the bleach from the closure, I went ahead and, like I said, shampooed it with the purple shampoo. I give the closure a very good shampoo with this purple shampoo. And I also allowed the purple shampoo to sit on the closure for about 15 minutes just to ensure that it removed any of the brassiness from the bleach. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like after I rinsed out the purple shampoo and actually went in and shampooed and conditioned the hair. Okay, so I'm just quickly showing you the video on the left is the natural air dried state, and the one on the right, I quickly passed through it with a flat iron. Okay, time to style the hair, guys. So I had to go in and just use my razor and just clean up the bang area. And I also took about 3 inches off of the length of the hair so that I had the desired length. So this is the final look, guys. It's been cut, it's been flat ironed, no product, and this is what it's looking like. Okay guys, I wanted to come and show you the final results of this hair. So here it is. Okay, and I also wanted to give you my final thoughts on this hair. So, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I purchased this hair from AliExpress by a vendor called Berryshair Fashion. Let me just make sure I have that right. It's Berryshair Official Store, and I purchased it on the 11/11 sale. It's the annual sale that AliExpress holds every year, and they discount their items. So most vendors will, provide a great discount to the shoppers. So I purchased this with my own money. I believe I paid about 85 Canadian dollars for this wig. This wig is a 5x5 closure. It's a bang wig, and it's 180 density and 12 inches long. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, I did go in and I cut off about 3 inches of this hair. I just didn't like where it hit me, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a shorter look. I also went ahead and straightened up and cut some of my bangs after I bleached my knots and washed it. Now guys, I did let this air dry, so I did not put any heat on it during the drying process. I just let it air dry overnight, and then I went in and I flat ironed it, and like I said, I cut it and all of that jazz. So guys, I'll be honest with you, this hair is beautiful for the price. Like, I want to show you, I don't want to move too much because I don't want my hair to get stuck in my lipstick. Oh, just like that. Yeah, but it moves so good. Okay, it has great movement. This hair, the luster on it, guys, I want to show you that. Let me see if I can get close. The luster is perfect. It's not too shiny, but it's not too dull, and I love that about this hair. There's absolutely no product on this hair, so there's no serum, there is no sheen, there's nothing like that. This is its natural luster after the hair has been washed and air dried. Nothing at all, no product. So I'm very pleased about that. What else do I have to say about this hair? Overall, honestly, it's just very basic, straight to the point. I don't have any major issues. The one thing I will say about this is that it took forever for the knots to bleach. And again, I don't know if it was because of the products that I use. For instance, the powder bleach that I used, I've had that for years. So I don't know, maybe it went bad. I don't know. It did take eventually, but it took much longer than anything I've ever experienced before. But aside from that, when it actually bleached, guys, it came out so good. Like the color, it bleached so phenomenally. So aside from the length of time that it took, it actually bleached, and it bleached really, really, really well. So that's what I will say about that. Also, I will say I got no shedding from this hair, none. Like, I didn't get any shedding, and I was really impressed by that. For this price, I'm extremely satisfied. I don't have any complaints. It's exactly what I was looking for. Something quick and easy, because if I'm being honest with you guys, who does, like, I'm sorry, I know this is, I'm gonna share this with you guys, but when I wear this, I don't do makeup up here. Like, literally, like, there's no brows. Literally, like, this face will take about 10 minutes. Yeah, and that's just because for me, mascara is always hard. Like bottom lashes, I always gotta double up because my bottom lashes are non-existent. But anyways, we're straying. Just wanted to let you guys know this hair is phenomenal. I am gonna put a link to this hair in my description box. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and click on it and be taken to the page. Again, I live in Canada. I paid about $85 for this Canadian, and it was worth the pennies. So guys, if you like this video, you know what I'm gonna say, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and let me know what you want to see in my next video. The holidays are right around the corner. It's my favorite time of the year, so let's see what we can put out there for you guys. So in the meantime, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.